In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All of us, all of us are facing the problems, several types of it, several problems and several types of it. Our problems could be different from that of the other people, but the problems are there. The problems are there with us, and the problems are there with the other people as well. Nobody on earth is without the problems, although the nature of the problems differ from person to person, from case to case, and also our desires remain unfulfilled for most of the time. Most of our desires remain unfulfilled. This is another reality, and the two of these realities are making our life very dull. Or maybe the way we take the two of these problems, the way we take the two of these factors, we take the two of these issues, make our life very dull and very unenjoyable one. But let's add one more thing in the two of these, and then it will make three. And the third thing which I am going to make put forward, and the third factor which I am going to put forward, it is so important. It is so important that it is extremely important. And once I put forward in front of you, although you people know it, it is not something very new, but still, despite the fact that we know it, despite the fact that we have heard it several times in our life, many, maybe dozens, and maybe hundreds of times during our life, and maybe we have seen dozens of times and maybe hundreds of times seen during our life. Despite all this, we are unable to keep it in our mind for all the time, for most of the time. The way we do remember our problems, the way we do remember the difficulties we are facing in our life, the way we do remember the challenges we come across in our life, and the way we are found remembering the unfulfillment of our desires, we do remember the two of these things very often, quite often. But there is a third thing, I think so, that is extremely important, maybe 100 times, maybe 1,000 times, maybe 100,000 times more important than the two of these factors. But if at all we do include that the third factor, which is by far, as I earlier said, 100 and 1,000 of time more important than the two of these factors. If at all we do succeed in keeping that factor in our mind, let me tell you that, let me assure you that the both of these factors will just evaporate in the air, will just vanish away, and we will become a far better, we will become a person of far better feelings, and we will become a happier person. The spirit in our life will return, and we will start enjoying our life as well. What is that important factor, and what is that extremely important factor? It is the factor that we are not here forever. We are here, each one of us is here for a very short span of time, and the time we have to live here, the time is passing, and the time is passing very quickly. And the stopwatch does not stop, not even for a single second, not even for a split second. It does not stop, it is always moving, it always keep moving, it does not stop at all. And that is something, I think so, which is more important, which is far more important, which is hundred dozens of times more important, which is 100 times more important, maybe 1,000 times more important, maybe 100,000 times more important than the two of these things, then the factor that each one of us, then the factor that I am facing certain problems, then the factor that my desires remain unfulfilled. I think so, the two of these things keep our mind occupied. The two of these things keep our mind occupied. But let me tell you that the third factor, if at all we do, if at all we do add it in the two of these three, then the two of these factors are going to evaporate in the air, are going to vanish, and are going to vanish the way the horn on the donkey disappears. So this is something, this is worth remembering, and this is worth remembering many and many a times in a day. And this will change our attitude, this will change our state of mind, this will change our emotional condition, and this will change our mood, and this will change maybe the whole of our personality, this will change our attitudes. Rather, I shall like to say that this thing is going to have a profound impact on our lives, although it is not something new, not something new at all. Rather, we have heard it maybe hundreds of times, we have remembered it in our life maybe a thousand times, and maybe we have seen this factor happening maybe 100 times during our life. But despite all that, if at all we do remember it, as often as we do remember the existence of our problems, if at all we do remember it, as often as we do remember the the unfulfillment of our desires, if at all we do attach it with our problems, if at all we do attach it with the unfulfillment of our desires, let me tell you and let me assure you that we are going to have a metamorphosis. Our life is going to change upside down. Maybe we will become 100 times different person. We will start living in a totally different, in a total with a totally different mood. It is so. So I think so that let's start enjoying, let's start thinking in a different style. Jazakallah. Why? Because all the troubles we are facing, because of our problems, are going to vanish, because all the unhappiness which is there for the because of the unfulfillment of our desires is going to evaporate, is going to vanish away. Is it something small, vanishing the pain of our problems, vanishing the pain of unfulfilled desires? I think so it is going to evaporate if at all we do act upon this formula, this principle, and this factor, this extremely important factor. Thank you.